Hello, welcome back to Eat Like a Halfling. My name is Craig and today I'm going to show you how to make elderflower champagne, a recipe from my Eat Like a Halfling cookbook. Let's go!
This recipe relies on naturally occurring yeast, so be sure to pick your flowers on a dry day. Put 10 to 12 elderflower heads into a bucket. Then add 800 grams of white sugar and the juice and rind of 4 lemons. Add 2 litres of boiled water and stir to dissolve all the sugar. Once dissolved, top up with another 4 litres of cold water. Cover loosely and leave to ferment for a week. If after a couple of days you don't notice small bubbles forming on the surface, you might need to add a pinch of champagne yeast. After 6 days of fermenting, strain the liquid through a muslin cloth into strong swing top bottles or plastic pop bottles. Every nightmare story I know about home brews going wrong and bottles exploding is usually connected with this brew, so do be sure to use strong bottles for this and check the pressure isn't building up too much every few days. After a week, refrigerate, open the bottles carefully and serve with ice.
Skål!